Alright, so we are here out in North Saanich on a beautiful sunny day. For this property tour, we're going to be taking a look at 622 Cove. Now this is one out of two brand new builds out in this area by a well-known builder, and it's listed by our good friends at the Pinnacle Homes Group. So each home is just around $2 million plus GST. They come with 3-bed and a den, 3-bath, and also a 1-bedroom suite. As we take a look around, you're going to see that they've got a balcony upstairs off the primary room, which you can actually see the ocean. Let's go have a look. Taking a look from the front, you can see right next door we have two brand new builds here. Now the builder went for a nice contemporary style build. You have 3 different facades on the front: brick, stone, and wood. You can see that flat roof. Now as we walk up to the house, we are going to, and as I'm taking off my shoes and shutting the door behind me here, we're going to bank off to the right and have a look at that 2-car garage. As we look into the garage, you'll see a door leading outside, and just to the left there, that's going to be where your furnace and your hot water tank is. And this home does come with a heat pump, so you do have air conditioning. And as we flip around, we're going to go have a look at the den. So this actually can be used as a separate bedroom, as we do have a closet there, but take a look at that accent wall. Quite a nice accent features throughout the property. We're going to see that in the living room and upstairs in the primary bedroom. But as we can see, looking into the closet, a little bit tight for a 4th bedroom, but can be used if needed. And we will take a look into the powder room and the coat closet. So what you can see with the powder room, what you can see with the doors here, is that the builder moved away from that typical white on white that we've seen in the past few years and is going for a little bit more of some off tones here. You can see that wide plank flooring, really nice, looking for more of a natural wood color in these cabinets, and the mantelpiece, a nice textured fireplace there. But as we move into the dining room and the kitchen and the living area, you're gonna see that it's got a really nice accent to it. There's the backyard. What you can't see is that there's a little gate, as you've got a road sticking back there. So if you've got a dog, you can walk out. Here is the kitchen dining combo. Like I said, you got more of a true wood color, and that 2-toned island is a really nice piece here. Enough room for a 6-person table. And the other thing that I like is the backsplash. You got the quartz that runs all the way up to the back there and up the wall. Moving away from that classic white subway tile, and well, look how fancy this is. You got the dovetail cabinets and drawers and soft close. Wow. Great size pantry, and that's actually a slider door, so it doesn't open up and get into the way. Typical appliances here: nice 6-burner gas stove and a pot filler, and that range hood, you pull it out and the fan will pop on. Very common now, seeing that the microwave is below the island. Keep it out of the way, excuse me. And we will head upstairs. Now it cuts to the top, but before it does, you'll see again accent wall. Like I said, a feature throughout the home, which I think is a really nice touch. And into one out of the 3 bedrooms upstairs. So this bedroom is actually 12 foot 9 inches by 10 foot 6. So a good size. You can see the torch on flat roof there. Moving into the other bedroom, a little bit smaller at 10 foot 4 by 10 foot 4. Bathroom upstairs. Again, moving away from that white subway tile, builder went with a forest green, which looks really nice with the quartz and the natural wood finish for the cabinets. tucked behind these doors as well is your laundry. So you got Samsung side-by-side appliances there and a nice little bench on top. And a patio up there. Now, I didn't spend long enough up there to show you, but if you are standing out on that patio, you actually get ocean views. And take a look at this primary bedroom. Like I said, accent wall, really nice feature. It changes things up a little bit, really adds a nice touch to the room. And we will head into the primary bathroom slash walk-in closet, or walk-through, I should say, off to the left here. So it's a good size. Heading into the primary bathroom here, you can see that accent lighting, and of course this does have heated floors. Builder went with a bit of a different quartz style to match that muted gray cabinets. But what I really like about this property, or this bathroom I should say specifically, is the size of the walk-in shower. It is massive. You've got a bench there, nice textured tiles there, and right up above, you can barely see it, but you do have a rainfall shower head and a handheld. Okay, and we are heading downstairs into the suite. So this is a 1-bedroom suite. It's about 850 square feet, kind of skipped going down the stairs there, but we're gonna take a look. So the suite does have its own separate laundry, which is nice. It is also on its own separate hydro account. So if you did have tenants in there, where you can see the baseboard and also any electricity that they use, that's gonna be the responsibility of the tenant. But that is the 1-bedroom there. It's a 10.9 by 9'11". And it's a great size. Now it is technically a quote unquote basement suite, but you can see all those windows here, and coming down, I flipped the lights on just to get as much light as I can, but you actually do get a fair amount of light down there. Stainless steel appliance package, and we are heading into the living room. Great size, 18 by 14, excuse me, and this is your main bathroom. And that's the tour. I hope you folks enjoyed it. If you've got any interest in this home or what's going on in the North Saanich area, please don't hesitate to reach out.